Okay, so now let us do question number 5. Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of this Roman number 3. F of x equal to 4x minus half x square, where x belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 9 by 2. So here in this question we have to find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value, okay, of this function, and the interval is also given. That means the point, okay, the value of x, it will lie between this minus 2 and 9 by 2. See, and this interval is closed, right? So that means you have to take this value also, okay. You have to check at this point also, like at x equal to minus 2 as well as 9 by 2, because this interval is closed. If it was open interval then you cannot take these 2 points, okay. You have to take only the point which lies between them. But since this is a closed interval, so we have to check at this point also, at this point also, and the point that will lie between these 2 points, okay. So let us start. So the process is same only. First we have to find f dash x, okay. So if you differentiate this, you will get differentiation of 4x is 4 minus this half is constant 1 by 2, and differentiation of x square is 2x, okay. So I have cancelled here 2. So what is remaining? 4 minus 1 into x is x. So this is f dash x, 4 minus x. Now to find the point, we have to put f dash x equal to 0, right? So for maxima or minima, f dash x equal to 0. So what is f dash x? It is 4 minus x. So that means 4 minus x is equal to 0, or we have to find the value of x. So 4 will take on the right hand side. So minus x equal to, this is plus 4. If you take on the right hand side, it will be minus 4. So minus minus is cancelled. So we'll get x equal to 4. So this is the point, right? And this 4, it lies between minus 2 and 9 by 2, right? The point 4. So now we'll check one by one, okay? Since we got 3 values of x, so we'll check it one by one. So first we'll check for x equal to minus 2. So at x equal to minus 2, we'll put in the function f of minus 2, that is 4 into minus 2 minus half into minus 2 whole square. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and this minus half into, and minus 2 square is plus 4, because here power is even, so negative will become positive. So we'll get minus 8 minus half into 4. So here you can cancel 2 to the 4. So we'll get minus 8 minus 2, that is minus 10. Now let us check at x equal to 4, okay, at this point. So at x equal to 4, f of 4 will be 4 into 4 minus half into 4 square. So 4 4s are 16 minus half into, and 4 4s are 16. So you can cancel here 2 8s are 16. So we'll get 16 minus 1 into 8 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. So at x equal to 4, we are getting the value 8. Now the last point is 9 by 2. So let us check here also. So at x equal to 9 by 2, f of 9 by 2 is 4 into 9 by 2 minus half into 9 by 2 whole square, and 2 to the 4, okay. So 2 9 is 18 minus half into, and 9 square is 81 by 2 square is 4. So 18 minus, here we cannot cancel, so just multiply. 1 into 81 is 81 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. So then you take the LCM of 1 and 8, that is 8. So you will get 144 minus 81, which is equal to 63 by 8, and if you divide this, you will get around 7.8, okay. So now what you have to find? We have to find the absolute maximum value and absolute mean. Absolute means what? Among all these values, the highest one, okay. Which will be the highest value, that will be the maximum value. And absolute minimum means among all the values that we have got, we have to take the least one, okay. So let us check which is the highest. So at x equal to minus 2, we got minus 10. At 4 we got 8, and at 9 by 2 we got 7.8. So which one is the highest? 8, right? So that means what? At x equal to 4, the absolute maximum value will be 8. So that I have written here. Therefore the absolute maximum value is 8 at x equal to 4. Now let us check the absolute minimum value. So we have 7.8, 8 and minus 10, yeah. So this is the minimum, right? Least value. And at which point we are getting? X equal to minus 2. So we can write an absolute minimum value is x equal to is minus 10 at x equal to minus 2, okay. So this is the answer.